Your specific person will go crazy over you once you start performing this one activity properly. This one activity has changed the lives of many people who are on a journey to manifest a specific person, and you can do it too. This activity is so powerful that it has to be used carefully and only with the specific person you want to get intimate with. Don't use it on random people, as it can become a reality, and later you will regret doing it. So, be mindful while using it. Be clear with whom you are using it. Also, distance does not matter. It does not matter if they are living across your street or even 10,000 miles away from you. As Neville Goddard said, a friend 1,000 miles away is rooted in your consciousness through your fixed ideas of him. To think of him and represent him to yourself inwardly in the state you desire him to be, confident that this subjective image is as true as it were already objectified, awakens in him a corresponding state which he must objectify. Can you see that the distance and even the circumstances do not matter, as everything is one and everything is connected? Everything and everyone that you see, touch, hear, feel, and taste is part of your consciousness. Even you and your specific person are one with the consciousness. Just for a moment, think about a string of lights that you use at Christmas for decoration purposes. Now, I want you to look at those tiny bulbs as people in your reality. One bulb represents your physical body, another represents your specific person's body, and all the others represent the bodies of people in your reality. Now all of these tiny bulbs are emitting light because the electricity is passing through the wire connecting them. Now look at the electricity as consciousness, the universe, God, imagination, or the subconscious mind. You can call it whatever you like. I gave you this example to just make you understand that everything is connected and everything is one. Just like the wire is connecting the bulbs, there are invisible wires connecting you to everyone around you. If you think that it is impossible because you cannot see it, then I just want you to look at your AirPods, your Wi-Fi connection, and your SIM cards. When you take your AirPods out of the case and plug them into your ears, they automatically connect to your iPhone. You cannot see a wire that is connecting to it, but still, it gets connected. The same goes with your Wi-Fi connection and your SIM cards. You can access the internet and talk to a friend sitting thousands of miles away from you. There is no visible wire connecting your device to theirs. Still, you can make use of it. Just like this, you and everyone in your reality are connected through those invisible wires. You cannot see them, but you are still connected. Now that you understand that distance does not matter and even the circumstances do not matter, you are good to go. You can now perform this technique to make them go crazy over you. The activity that I am talking about is called remote seduction. You might have heard this from other channels before, or maybe you are hearing it for the first time. But I can assure you, after watching this video, your every doubt regarding this activity will be cleared. In short, remote seduction is about seducing someone by using the power of your mind. Some people may call it daydreaming, but it is not. I believe that anything that you do with some sort of intention turns out to be a manifestation practice. Daydreaming is not done with any intention. Therefore, remote seduction may look like daydreaming, but it is not. The person who performs remote seduction has an intention to get some sort of result out of this practice. To start this practice, you have to leave everything for the next few minutes. Put your phone on silent, close the door of your room, and sit or lie down in a comfortable spot. After finding this spot, get comfortable and feel relaxed. You have to get conscious of your breathing and start taking deep breaths until you feel light and relaxed. Many people don't give importance to this first step. I believe this is the most essential step, as it clears your mind and helps you get rid of negative and unwanted thoughts. So, take some time and breathe. Once relaxed, start imagining a place. I would imagine a hotel room. I would choose that place so that I and my specific person wouldn't get disturbed by anyone. In your imagination, make this place as real as possible. Look at the curtains, the walls, the bed, the carpets, and the furniture. Then, in your imagination, sit on that bed and feel the bedsheet and those fluffy pillows. After that, you have to bring your specific person into that room. It is up to you how you would make that happen. I would simply imagine them walking out of the bathroom in the bathrobe and walking towards me. I would see a huge smile on their faces while they were walking towards me. Then, I would imagine them sitting on my lap while facing me. I won't share what happens next. It's your imagination, you have to do it. But remember that you have to touch them in your imagination. Feel their skin, touch their hair, feel their body, and smell their fragrance. You have to do this in order to make them comfortable with you. You can also hear their voice telling you how much they like and want you. Then you have to do the things that will turn them on and imagine that they are having the best time of their lives and that you are the best that they have ever had and can ever have. Just give them happiness and love and make them desire you by satisfying them. Once you have done it, end it with a scene that they are sleeping now, return to your senses, and feel relaxed because you have done something wonderful. You have planted a seed that very soon will become a tree that will give you delicious fruits. I have warned you in the earlier parts of this video to do this on the person that you feel would be good for you to share those moments with. I said it because it works, and the people you do this with change their attitudes towards you. They have completely become different people than they were before. You would notice a change in their attitude toward you. If you are a great observer, you would notice their body language changing. You would notice them doing weird things when they are in your presence, and you would notice them wanting to be around you. Therefore, I advise you to do so with the people with whom you would like to get closer. Also, you have to remember that you don't have to become desperate. You don't have to become needy. You don't have to chase them. You don't have to become the person who puts them on a pedestal. Instead, your attitude should be that of someone who gets chased by a specific person. Your attitude should be that of someone who is highly attractive, and the other person is madly in love with you. They are chasing you, not you chasing them. In simple words, you have to become confident in your own skin. Now the question that may come to your mind is, how long does it take to become a reality? Well, it 100% depends on you. It depends on your faith and the concepts you hold about yourself. If you think that you are unattractive and undesirable, then even after doing this activity, you may become desperate and push them away. But if you think you are attractive and desirable, and are in high demand, then this works pretty quickly. The concepts you hold about yourself matter a lot. People who have good concepts about themselves get results within a week, while others take months to get them. So it depends on you. No one can tell you how fast it would work. Only you would be able to do so. Don't trust me or anyone blindly. Just do this and see for yourself. I have read people's experiences where they mentioned that by doing this, their specific person got this strong feeling towards them and was not able to control themselves when they were around them. They reached out to them and asked them to go on a date where they openly flirted and even told them that they missed them and liked them. You can also make this happen. Just get rid of your needy energy. Many people fail to attain results because they need it so much that they make it the oxygen of their lives. Just keep your specific person a part of your life, like other people in your life. Don't make them your entire life. Life is about you, not them. They are just playing a small role in your life. Some people might be interested in knowing when and how many times to do it. Well, I recommend doing it once or twice during the day. I suggest you do this 20 minutes before or 20 minutes after the sunset. You can do it as many times as you like during the day. You can do it for as many days as you want. I suggest you do this till you get bored of it and you automatically leave doing it. You will get results if you maintain a state of consciousness where you see yourself as a prize and consider yourself a catch. Just give it a try and see things change in your favor. Give them love and make it a pleasurable experience. The subject has no power to resist your controlled subjective ideas of him unless the state affirmed by you to be true of him is a state he is incapable of wishing to be true of another. You don't have to worry, as your specific person will not reject this as it is a desirable one. You can have it in no time. All you can possibly need or desire is already yours. Call your desires into being by imagining and feeling your wish fulfilled. In the upcoming days, I will create a guided meditation specifically on this topic. For now, just follow my instructions, replay the video, and get clear about it. Also, some people have adopted a lower concept of themselves. I advise them to work on it, and for that, I have created a video that is an affirmation tape that can help you change your self-concepts. You can find it by clicking on the first video that appears at the end of the screen.